Assalamualaikum and very good day. I am Muhammad Syazwi ASNA bin MAZLAN.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZHARFUL HAKIM bin KHIRUDDIN.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Syameelutfi bin ABUL AZHAM and we are from Management and Science University. So let's talk about the introduction of our product. So why we choose shrimp shell waste as our main ingredient for our product, which is Mr.Shrimp shrimp powder. As you know, shrimp shell waste as an important raw material for valorization of our product. Next thing, the enzymatic mild chemical, microbial and physical strategies were adopted into the shrimp shell to be the benefit of our product. And the second point is the various product from shrimp shell waste obtain the nutrition that can be good for human being. Did you guys know shrimp shell waste or SSW is generated in huge quantity from the shrimp processing industry throughout the world, and it is primarily disposed into the sea, causing intense environment pollution around the world. Since the continuous waste is considered as a valuable and renewable resources that related to convert it into a useful compound such as shrimp shell powder that we produce. Among the seafood used globally, shellfish consumed is a great demand. The utilization of this shellfish such as prawn or shrimp has opened a new market segment in the world. Among the seafood used globally, shellfish consumed is in great demand. The utilization of these shellfish such as prawn or shrimp has opened a new market for utilization in the world. Considering the trend of the production of the shrimp shell waste powder, it can reduce the shrimp shell waste in the world. Shrimp shell waste seem an important of high value generation of product such as shrimp shell powder by Mr.Shrimp. The chemical that used to dispose this shrimp shell waste is a chemical compound such as hydrochloric acid or natrium hydroxide, which is so harmful to the world. Right now, there has been intensive effort to develop the safe and sustainability technologies to reduce this waste, which is shrimp shell waste. So we take this advantage to create a new product, which is shrimp shell powder by Mr.Shrimp that can be used in many kind of food or dishes. The main objective of this project or this product is to reduce the shrimp shell waste around the world and utilize 100% of the shrimp flavor that contained in the shrimp shell. And obviously, the last point, it can maintain the environment or save the environment and sustain the economic sustainability. So that's all from me. The next point, we can learn about the nutrition or nutrient inside the shrimp shell waste.
Okay, the benefit in shrimp cells that we know is many, So the first one, I will elaborate for you the benefit of shrimp cells. What does shrimp have? So, first of all, the first thing is to prevent anemia. The content of the vitamin B12 found in shrimp cells is believed to be able to increase the production of red blood cells in the body. So, that by consuming shrimp, you can avoid anemia, or what is often called low blood pressure. Besides that, prevent bones porosity or osteoporosis. So, the main cause of bone loss is lack of calcium, as what we know, and phosphorus in the body. Shrimp cells have high calcium and phosphorus content. If we consume them, it will avoid bone loss and also make our bones stronger. In addition of the content of glucosamine can help the formation of cartilage and overcome joint problems. Besides that, preventing typhoid disease also can be the benefit from shrimp cells. Typhus is a dangerous disease. If not treated immediately, this disease can be caused by pathogenic microbes that attack the body. One of them is Salmonella enterica var. Paratype A. Shrimp cells contains cytine, which is able to inhibit the growth of pathogenic microbes. Therefore, it is highly recommended to consume shrimp. So, let's go to the next point, is boost the body immune system. Immune or body resistance is very necessary for our bodies. If the body has a good immune system, it will avoid several diseases. One of them is that shrimp skin contains several vitamins that the body needs to boost the immune system. The next one is suppress cancer growth. This is the important benefit that you can get from shrimp cells. So basically, cancer is a dangerous disease that can lead to death of a person. If it has spread to the other organs, the disease spread very quickly if not treated regularly. Well, from now on, don't worry about the problems you are experiencing. You will quickly find an easy and safe solution by consuming these shrimp cells. Contain sulforaphane and selenium, which work as inhibitors of the growth of cancer cell production. That's it. You can get from Mr.Shrimp. This is our product. Thank you.
Why we turn shrimp shell into a powder? Okay, first thing first is because wastage. Do you know? It's about, according to Malay mills, it's about 60,667 ton per day. The waste. So one of it is shrimp shell. So when we turn the product into a powder, we can overcome this problem. The next point is convenient. Okay, the housewife just open the packaging and ready to use the powder. Okay? The powder can enhance the flavor of the food. For the restaurant owner, it's easy for them to use this product also to making a stock, soup, for example, prawn beef. Okay, next point is save money and time. You no need to peel the shrimp shell, and you just use it to the food to enhance the flavor. And save money, no need to put or store the shrimp shell in the freezer or chiller. They already made a powder, so you need to pay the utility cost. Okay, next point is save environment. When we do this product become powder, it can save or cut off the wastage. So, and also it create an awareness among the people. So when they have a shrimp shell, maybe they can do a powder. That's all for our point. Let's proceed to preparation video.
First, take out your shrimp shell waste in your chiller or in your freezer. Put your shrimp shell on your baking tray and then shake it well, and dehydrate your shrimp shell in your oven for about 8 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. When the time is up, take out your shrimp shell and place it in a warm place. So for the next step, we need to season and blend our shrimp shell until become a powder. So take out the blender or food processor and then put your shrimp shell, put some seasoning, put the lid on and then turn on the switch and then wait until it becomes super fine. For the next step, put the shrimp shell powder into a bowl and start to pack the shrimp shell powder in the packaging. Here you go, shrimp shell powder by Mr. Shrimp.